how to play Instagram Reels on 2x speed. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So head over to your Instagram, then tap on this plus icon, then tap on Reel. From here, go to camera and then tap on this music icon, then select a music,
But I can see us lost in the memory.
and then tap on done. Here you will see this option 1x, then simply tap on 2x in order to record it in 2x speed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.